Hey everybody, what you're looking at is my first ever box of National Treasures. I was in such a rush, I didn't even get the camera straight. Hang on, let's see if I fix it. Well, a little bit better. Anyways, you know, I'm kind of a cheapskate. I don't like these super expensive boxes, but I got this one at an extremely good price, and that's because it's Collegiate, I guess. And it's 2016, so not the like crazy good rookie class, but I'm still super excited. All I want to do is hear that wooden box go, you know, that little pop, little snap, crackle, pop. So I'm excited. I'm not gonna keep talking. I know it's not the best rookie class. What I'm really hoping for is National Treasures will often put in, you know, National Treasure. Panini will often put in really good vet hits in their college uniform. So I'm hoping for one of those. Or maybe even two. That would be nice. Something like that would be really sweet, because I know there's just not a lot of good rookies to be had here. We'll see. Gosh, two vet hits would be really nice. This is kind of old, but in case anybody wants to see the odds. Here's my little wooden box. Oh baby, look at that. This is so cool. I just have to say it. I don't ever like to give Panini too many props, but this is really cool. Alright. I'm knowing I'm holding on to this box. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I'm going to do something. Here we go. You ready? Oh, it sounded so good. Alright, there's my little box. 8 cards. Look how cool that is. I just want to smell that wood. Oh, I forgot. I should know better. There's some kind of bug flying around me trying to ruin my National Treasures experience. Come on, bug. Alright. If we can get in here. I thought I cut it. Did I not cut it? Hang on. I was positive I had broke. Alright, here we go. Let's do it like this, I guess. Oh, we've got a book at the bottom. Booklet alert. Okay, we have Alfred Payton as card number 1. University of Louisiana Lafayette. That is to 99. So, kind of thick stock. Not as thick as Spectra, though. That's card 1. Card 2 is Andre Drummond, and it's number 225. So a nice little parallel there at Yukon. Then we have a Steph Curry to 49. So there's a nice vet. Looks to be red foil parallel. I don't know if you can see it. If you catch the light just right, you'll see that this is all red. So that's good. Okay, first card here is a mem card. Brandon Dawson, Denzel Valentine, Devonta Davis, Michigan State. Triple relic to 99. Then we have Kevon Looney, University of California, also UCLA. So a nice patch auto numbered to 10. Not the best autograph I've ever seen. It just looks like an M when his name's actually Kevon Looney. And it looks like he signed an M. But it is numbered to 10, so that's cool. Alright. Another jersey auto, and this is Malik Beasley. A really nice patch, much better autograph. Colossal, number 299. So that is a rookie card. Much better autograph there. Florida State. Next up, Bryce Johnson, another rookie card. University of North Carolina, another colossal, another sweet looking 3-color patch to 99. And we have, what is this? Siakam to 99. Little tiny autograph there, but it is on card. It is a die cut. Pretty cool. So another, looks like we have a redemption, and it is Chris Dunn. This actually expired 6/7/18, but I'm guessing Panini will fill it. This is another BK Colossal signature, so I assume it's going to be exactly like these. Another card just like this, number 299, but Chris Dunn. Alright, our last one is a booklet, like I thought, to 49, Malik Beasley. Nothing too exciting there. Plain jersey pieces, but you know, everybody loves a booklet. Decent auto. Did I say it was numbered? Yeah, to 49. Well, not as exciting a booklet as I was hoping for. But yeah, I didn't get like a big vet hit like I hoped, but it's still a pretty cool experience to open this stuff. Did get there was the one vet. Who was it? Oh yeah, this one to 10, which was to 10. No, this is a rookie. This is not a vet hit. So stupid. I got Siakam. He's not exactly major vet. Only vet, like, I don't know. This Curry, man, I wish I got a Steph Curry jersey or something. That would have been cool. Miss Andre Drummond at 25, Alfred Payton. Well, like I said, it was just an experience to open that. I've been wanting to open National Treasures forever, and I finally found a box affordable enough for me to be able to do it, and I'm happy I did it. So there's that. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care, and I'll be back with you guys again soon.